Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Tezos coin. Recently, the price line of Tezos has broken out the resistance of the triangle, and we've already seen in my previous video as well that Tezos, after breaking out the triangle, found another resistance. And this was the triangle. You can see the price line entered in this triangle here after the drop of 7th of September, and after some zigzag move here, the price line last time rejected, and after a small rejection, finally the price action broke out this resistance of the triangle. And here we had another resistance that I told you that the price line can have after this breakout. If I connect all these wicks of the candlesticks, then we can see this was the resistance that I was telling you yesterday, that even though the price line has broken out the resistance of the triangle, however, here we have another extra layer of resistance, and it can be a trouble for the price line to break out this another resistance level. And you can see that here the price line had a trouble, but after some small rejection, the price line broke out this resistance, and now the price action has finally broken out this resistance of this symmetrical triangle, and also the resistance of this you can also call it as an up channel as well, because this was the support of this channel. And now the price line is above both resistance levels. And if we again take a look at the RSI, then RSI is still respecting this trend line that it has found on the 4-hourly time frame, and it is forming higher lows. And even if we watch this position of the RSI, it is moving up and forming higher highs and higher lows as well. And even on the daily time frame, we can see that the RSI has started forming higher lows. Previously it was forming lower lows. Now it has formed the first higher low, and soon it can also again form another higher high as well. This will be the first higher high. You can see that this was the previous higher high, lower high, and now it can form another higher high. Now we can have a sequence of higher highs and higher lows. That is another bullish indication. Now if we switch to this small time frame 4-hour chart again, then here while the price action was above these two resistance levels, this is another up channel that the price line has formed on the 4-hourly time frame. This is the same 4-hourly time frame chart. If I copy these trend lines from here and paste it here, then you can see that while the price action was moving above both resistance levels, then it also formed another up channel, and you can see it was rejected here and tested this resistance here and here as well, and tested the support here, here, and here. So we had a valid resistance and valid support. Right now the price line has recently broken out this resistance and testing the previous resistance of the channel as a support. And if this test will be successful, then this move will be continued. So far the price line did not hit the sell targets which I have defined as per this triangle. I told you that the price line, let me just show you the targets again. If I place this trend line here at the breakout point, then our next imminent target within next few days or hours can be $11.10. Right now we are moving at $8.35, and after breaking out this channel, even though the price line has broken out, but it is testing this previous resistance as a support, this move will be more faster. It will become more fast, and this target will be reached very soon. However, if this test will be unsuccessful and the price line will be entered back inside this channel, then it can again test the support of the channel. For example, if it will test it here, then it will be approximately $9.95. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.